Not long ago, Shiba Inu rose from near obscurity to deliver a historic 10,000x return, creating a wave of overnight crypto millionaires. Some observers believe a similar success story could be unfolding in real time, this time with Rollblock, RBLK, that is currently in the third stage of its pre-sale and it expected to surge 100x. Below, we'll review how Shiba Inu made its mark, how Rollblock is positioning itself for explosive growth, and why many investors think these two projects have more in common than meets the eye. Shiba Inu's meteoric rise in numbers. Back in May 2021, the market cap for Shiba Inu rose past a $40 billion market cap due to social media buzz. Even though the price is not as high, it's still a top 20 crypto with a market cap of about $5 billion and roughly $100 million in daily trading volume. While it's impossible to say if Shiba Inu repeat gains will happen, many die-hard fans remain hopeful that Shibrium and new NFT projects might reignite the spark that first made this meme coin famous. Rollblock, a Gamblify contender with serious numbers. On the other side of the crypto spectrum, Rollblock aims to leave meme culture behind and focus on tangible use cases. With a rapidly growing pre-sale that has already surpassed $8.7 million in funding, Rollblock combines blockchain transparency with a thriving casino platform. Here, users can access over 7,000 games, a bustling sportsbook, and transparent betting, all while holding tokens that may benefit from weekly buybacks and staking rewards. According to some early backers, the RBLK potential for 100x stems from its ambition to capture a slice of the $450 billion global iGaming market. If Rollblock keeps building momentum and user adoption, the token's market cap could rise significantly beyond its current pre-sale valuation, potentially creating the next big success story in crypto. Shiba Inu repeat gains, fact or fantasy? The idea of Shiba Inu repeat gains sparks both excitement and skepticism. Yes, Shiba Inu scaled unimaginable heights by turning a few dollars into a fortune, but that run came in an era of heightened speculation. Market conditions have since evolved, and meme coins can no longer rely solely on viral tweets to maintain relevance. Yet the dream of finding the next 10,000x coin lives on, inspiring many to look for new altcoins with strong narratives. For some, Rollblock checks those boxes. It addresses a proven market, online gaming, offers user rewards, and has a clear token burn model. Though the leap to 100x is always high risk, the fundamentals may offer more backbone than Shiba Inu had at its start. Comparing the two, memes versus utility. So how do these projects really stack up? Shiba Inu soared on meme power, celebrity endorsements, and a vibrant community. The token is now trying to build tangible value through Layer 2 solutions and DeFi integrations. Rollblock, on the other hand, starts with a functional product that merges casino gaming and crypto mechanics, hoping to attract both gamblers and long-term token holders. While Shiba Inu captured headlines as a dog-themed sensation, Rollblock positions itself as a Gamblify platform ready for a more mature market. In theory, if Rollblock continues to add new games and user-friendly features, it could become a first mover in a specialized niche, much like Shiba Inu once did in the meme coin arena. Where does the road lead? Could Rollblock truly replicate Shiba Inu repeat gains? History shows that lightning can strike twice in crypto, but it also reminds us that each bull run is unique. For Shiba Inu holders waiting on Shibrium's launch or new NFT collaborations, the potential for another rally isn't out of the question, especially if the broader market recovers. Meanwhile, Rollblock is riding high on its pre-sale success, with many eyeing that $8.7 million figure as a sign of serious investor interest. If the platform hits major exchanges and continues to expand its user base, early adopters could see impressive returns. Of course, both tokens face the volatility and unpredictability that define the crypto space. But in a world where Shiba Inu once delivered 10,000x gains, and Rollblock aims for a slice of a multi-billion-dollar market, the big question remains, which will surprise us next?